would like to take this opportunity to thank the crown maker for tonight's event. Our deepest gratitude to Mr. Michael Balanado.
And now for the awarding of our Kapitan sa Pinaluan, Ate Kultura.
The title of Ate Kultura is given to the candidate who will honor the rich heritage and artistic spirit of Minuluan. Kapitan sa Minuluan, Ate Kultura will be awarded by Ms. Carmen Penado and Mr. Tony Teramos. As for our Kapitan sa Minuluan 2025, he will be awarded by Dr. Rodolfo Padillo. Mayor Attorney Rowena Lopez